So we have Dr.D.K.Hari and HemaHari. They are founders of Bharath Gyan, and they are a power couple. I've attended courses. They are mentors of Chitam. They are advisors, and there are some people who are so passionate. அவங்களோட website www.bharathgyan.com போய் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா தெரியும். They have literally gone into the depths of Indian history, culture, and what have you there. Very inspiring. I can't wait to hear them talk.
Because the other two are ladies. After my wife speaks, I do not get the opportunity to speak, so I'll speak first. Thank you, sir. I'd just like to take a point on where Charanya started off about how she got her inspiration watching the glass bottle beach. Very similar experience we both had in the year of 2000, summer of 2000, that's about 3 years back. We had been to, one of our many visits, we had been to Brussels, Belgium. You know, Brussels, the capital city of Belgium, has got a very peculiar climate. Half an hour, 1 hour, drizzle இருக்கும், லைட்டா மழை பெய்யும், அப்புறம் அடுத்த half an hour, 1 hour நல்லா வெயில் இருக்கும், திருப்பி மழை பெய்யும், திருப்பி வெயில் இருக்கும். ஒரு நாளைக்கு ஒரு 7-8 வாரி பெய்யும் இந்த மாதிரி மழை Brussels. That's it, because of the North Atlantic Ocean winds blowing in. It brings a cloud every time. That's how it is. So one of the trips when we went to Brussels, we were staying in Germany. Then we went to, immediately we ran into the close. That day, unfortunately, we did not bring umbrellas, so we ran into the closest building that we could. Then one of the brief bouts of rain in the morning. That happened to be the Tintin Museum in Brussels. This is, and நாங்கள் 2 பேரும் டென்டின் படிச்சிருக்கோம் before marriage in our childhood. யோசிச்சு பாருங்க, 35 வயசு 2 பேருக்கு, சுமார் தோராயமாக 2 பேருக்கும் அப்போ in the year 2000. We go into a Tintin museum, comic museum, spend a full day in the museum, வெளியிலே வரல. சாயங்காலம் அவங்க 6-7 மணிக்கு மியூசியம் முடிச்சா வெளில வந்து. அப்போ யோசிச்சு பார்த்தோம், வெளில தானே யோசிச்சு பார்த்தோம். Then we went to go back to Germany that day. That's a different issue. The point is, here is people in their mid-30s spending a full day in a comic museum, that too of fiction. How well they can showcase a fictional character, which is the author is from Belgium. That's all. And the whole city is designed on it. Number ஊர்ல we have, as you said, Mahabharata, Ramayana, Upanishad, புராணங்கள் கதைகள் அவ்வளோ இருக்கு, எவ்வளோ சங்கநூல் கதைகள் அவ்வளோ இருக்கு. But we have not showcased it well enough. Then 25 years back, things haven't changed much. Have partially changed, but not much. But the point is, அங்க வந்து depth இல்ல, ஆனா showcase பண்ற வழி தெரிஞ்சது. நம்ம கிட்ட depth இருக்கு, என்ன showcase பண்ணணும்னு தெரியல, அதுதான் வித்தியாசம். That's what actually triggered us to get into Bharath Gyan. To know என்னதான் இருக்குன்னு தெரியணுமே. அப்பதான் பாரத் மகான் ஹைல ஸ்லோகன் வந்தது. பட் இல்ல மகான் தான் ஸ்லோகன், ரைட்? What are the nuts and bolts of this Mahanta of Bharat? Do we know it? Can we answer this question? On any subject, so be it. Upon the issue of the Ramasetu was there. What does it mean? If this man did build the bridge, when did he live? What are the layers of the construction? If there's supposed to be a flight, what is the fuel they used? What's the aeronautics, can we talk? Or we say metallurgy was what did this in the Katipon, on the Katipon, Alexander the Great, he took only sword and steel from India. He did not take gold or silver, but he used wood steel. இந்த wood steel என்ன அர்த்தம்? ஒன்றும் இல்லை, தமிழ்ல அழகான இது எங்கேருந்து போச்சு இந்த wood steel? ஈரோடு பக்கத்துல கூடுமணல் இடத்துல இருந்து போச்சு. இந்த furnace is in கூடுமணல் near ஈரோடு. English wood steel, not WOOTZ. Because வெள்ளக்கார வாயில நம்ம தமிழ் பேர் வரல, உருக்கு ஆர் உக்கு. கன்னடத்துல உக்கு, தெலுங்குல உக்கு. உருக்குன்ற வாயில ஆனவா ஊட்ஸ்ன்ட்டோம். So, a Macedonian coming to India does not want gold dust, wants urukku steel made in Erode Kudumanal by the Noyal River. He went to Coimbatore last month, that's why because that's where it flows from. So look at the connection between here to the Sindhu Nadi. how this land is so well interconnected. In the matter, and what she's bringing out in this game of Bharata Vilas, you're connecting the land again so beautifully. This is what is important. We should know about our own civilization, and we have to know it from the very early age. It's good. The point is, it will sharpen, hone your skills to be that much better, to bring out better quality products, which need the attention and the attitude of the youth to use it. So that is where it should go. So wish you all the best for this endeavor, and the journeys are similar, of course, a couple of decades later, but natural. So
you have set the stage for us.
Yes. So
we are following your footsteps.
Those days is a very rocky, because the idea of civilization didn't exist then. See, then history was the only word used, and the word history means, you know what, starts with Aurangzeb and ends with Babur, or either way, vice versa, doesn't matter. But I want, so that's all they thought of history. But the idea of civilization is much larger, and playing sports is part of this. For example, say board games. Who gave board games to the world? Right from Paramapadam, every board game was given by us to the world. I just asked, board games, you know, which is the biggest board game export of this land of Bharat? I'm using the word Bharat because she's got the game Bharat Vilasa. Do you know what's the biggest board game export of Bharatam to the world? Chess. Of course, it comes the word Chaturangam. In this part of northern part of Tamil Nadu, there was one of the greatest chess players. But we don't know him as a chess player. None of us, all of us know his name, but we don't know him as a chess player. Swami Vedanta Desikar. He was a great chess player. Yeah, he was a great chess player because he wrote Paduka Sahasram. One of the slokas in Paduka Sahasram is how to move the horse, the knight, because knight is L-shaped move. Adupati has written a poem. That is, he wrote the poem 750 years back in chess. That movement, which he wrote a poem 750 years back, 300 years back in Germany, it was a mathematical problem called Knight's Tour. It was a mathematical problem in the field of logistics. How to take your courier lorry and go from point A to point B and come back or full. It was a maths problem. So he gave a solution to a problem that was introduced in Germany 300 years back. He gave a solution 750 years back. And in a Sanskrit poetry, that's the beauty of our civilization. That's a game. It's a chess game, a sub point. So you have a zillion ideas like this literally to take forth, develop, and wish you all the very best at all these board games. And do having said board game, you know, the Indian board game is in a flag of a European country. Board game of chess is in a European country's flag. Croatia. Croatian country, red and white checks. They came to football finals. Look at that, the country of Croatia. How did they get the name Croatia? They are all Saraswats. Number Saraswat Brahmin row. Sa becomes Ha. Saraswat becomes Harakwat. Ha becomes Ka. So when they migrated, the Saraswati river dried up, desiccated. They went all the way to East Europe and they become Saraswats become Harakwats. Harakwats become Kravats. So Croatia comes from that. Extension. That's the point. The point is, board games of India is now the insignia of a flag in the East European country called Croatia. That is the spread of board games world over. That's the beauty of. So you've got a huge potential you have to develop for the next decades of your life and take board games to the rightful place where they deserve in the community of games across the world. Wish you all the best for your endeavor. Congratulations. Thank you.